Welcome, and thank you for joining the Millennium Alliance. Our app is your guide to navigating the assembly. This short tutorial will share everything you need to know on how to use it.
Your homepage will display the social conversation using the hashtag MillenniumLive. Check here for live tweets, comments, and pictures from your fellow attendees. Over on the Agenda tab, you'll be able to see your schedule for the entirety of the assembly. This is a personalized schedule, so no two are alike. Each session will include the title, the leader, the time, and specifically where you'll need to be. If you click into a session, you'll be able to see exactly who will be speaking. You can click further into each attendee profile to learn more about them. After each session, you must fill out a survey. Your feedback is important for us to innovate for future programs. You'll need to provide an overall rating of the session and also let us know if you're interested in a follow-up. The comments section, while optional, is encouraged to provide feedback for the leader as well as the Millennium Alliance.
Please note, you must complete these feedback forms in order to proceed in your schedule. If you can no longer see your agenda, that means one of your session surveys have not been completed. So please make sure you fill out the survey section after each session in order to help us run a smooth event.
If you head over to the Speakers tab, this will give you a list of all the attendees that will be presenting, either on a panel, hosting a workshop, or moderating a roundtable. Again, you can click further into each attendee profile to learn more about them and see the other sessions they will be leading. The Delegates tab are all attendees, including sponsors that you are on site with. If you need to adjust your settings, head over to the More tab, and if you need any further assistance with your app, please come to the help desk and talk to any Millennium Alliance staff members who will be wearing black lanyards throughout the event.
Thank you for your attention, and now enjoy the event.